Yes, the only feature is salad in the mix.
Wow.
Just because why? People really do need positive
Yes,
vibes as
yeah,
well, and
yeah.
vibrations and everything.
Yeah.
We need to affirm our province that
Yes,
cares. And
beautiful,
this is part of it as well.
beautiful. No mfethu ngiyabonga. Sesivala nje mfethu, ngicela ukukhumbuza umlaleli. Khona into ebenokwenzeka eBhayibhelini, makwenzeke imangaliso ezinkulu noma bewele ulwandle besethi uNkulunkulu esiqoqana amatshe. La matshe ngifuna serve as isikhumbuzo ukuthi mas ingane zenu nama generations, when they look back, what are these stones for? Bese niyabatshena ukuthi sawela ulwandle. When we share our testimonies, we don't share our testimonies because we've conquered everything, but we share our testimonies to remind ourselves as well that whatever battle that we are faced with right now, we are reminded of the battles God has conquered in the past. So even namanje mfethu, as I share these, there are personal challenges that I'm faced with, but when I share with the public what God has done through me in the past, I am reminded and I'm encouraged to know that even this battle that I'm faced with, it's not mine, and God is still gonna use me. God is still gonna reroute me to the final destination. So kwabacabanga ukuyibulala mfethu, please guys, reach out to us. We don't have answers. We know one who is an answer. God does